Are you ready to improve your health with a simple and effective walking workout? You're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. We're going to get started right here, right now in your gentle walk. Begin walking in place. Go ahead and set my watch. We are going to be here for about 5 minutes today, so a short and sweet workout. Great to get the heart rate pumping, get the blood flowing, get your energy up, boost your metabolism, boost your mood, all good things in just 5 minutes. 4 basic moves. You are doing the first one right here, walk in place. We always come back here. This is kind of like our home base. So just get moving, get the arms moving, the legs up, core is engaged. Maybe you smile. Welcome to your workout. If we've not met yet, I'm Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a wellness professional, and I help folks here online just feel better in their bodies, create balance and strength at all ages, all seasons of life. We do that with simple and effective workouts such as this one. I can't say enough good things about walking, especially home walking. You don't have to leave your house, just making it happen. And that is the goal, right? Move your body in a healthy way every single day, my friend. Nice. Next move, we're going to get the knees up. Lift the knee, lift the knee. Nice job. Belly button gently draws in towards the spine. Maybe opposite fingers tap opposite knee. Find a little torso rotation, a little deeper activation through the back muscles. Nice job. Go at your own pace. Check with your breath. So take your talk test. Maybe just try to say a 5 or 6 word sentence here without getting too winded. And if you do become winded, just back out. Take your time. Here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to home base. Walk it out. Let's get the arms involved. We're going to reach up, down, out to the side, and back in. Maybe pick up the knees. We're not here very long, so let's make the most of this workout. Whew. Keep breathing. Check in with that breath all the time. Check in, how are you feeling today? There's no right or wrong. I just love for you to just notice. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Return back to home base walk. Great job. Next move, we're gonna take some knee or kick it out. Let's kick and kick. Oh yeah. Reach opposite fingers towards opposite toes for a little added bonus challenge. And I'm reaching pretty high today. My legs are kicking pretty high. Maybe yours are lower. Maybe they're even higher than mine. Just depending on how you feel. Make this workout work for you, right? Not the other way around. Have fun. I think that is essential when you are working out. Find something fun that lights you up, that excites you to get out of bed in the morning. Go for a walk for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return. Walk it out. Nice job. So proud of you. We are well over halfway through. Let's check out this next move. It's a side step. So step out and out. Sink those hips down for an added challenge. Activate the glutes, the backside muscles. We call them the muscles of independence here. Whew. Breathe. Maybe you tap that toe behind for an added challenge. Tap that toe back and back. Nice. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. You got this. So about 5 minutes usually equates to about a quarter of a mile. Of course, if you want longer workouts, I've got your back. Got much longer workouts than just the 5 minutes, but if you just have 5 minutes today, just make it happen, right? We squeeze in these workouts whenever we can. So yeah, just keep going. Pick up the feet. We got about 1 minute left. I'm gonna show you a different move. It's a modified jumping jack. It's a toe tap. Yeah, find a little rhythm with the legs, and then maybe reach one or both arms towards the sky. Create some space here. Really take up all the space in the room you possibly can. And have some fun. Super proud of you today for making a commitment. to your wellness, to your health goals. Maybe leave me a comment. Let me know, what are your goals this week? You work out with me a few times this week? Let me know. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, return back to your home base. Walk it out. Make it happen. We are so close. Whew. Blow out that air. Get those feet up a little higher. Really squeeze all the goodness out of this workout. You got this. Pump your arms. Nice. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it. Nice job. Slow it down. Ooh. Never skip this cool down. So start to slow the feet down. Find your soft, easy breath. Allow that heart rate, that respiratory rate to come down in a natural way. Then find a bit of stillness. Just go ahead and take a little cross-body punch. So maybe reach hand, reach the toe back. Whew. A little twist here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Return back to a standing foundation. In our yoga practice, we learn this as mountain pose. Take a big full breath in, sweep your arms tall. Maybe you look up. Exhale, let it go. Feels nice. Let's go ahead and incorporate that breath. Inhale, sweep the arms. Exhale to release, rain it down. How about one more time? Big, full, buoyant breath in. Gather some positive energy here. Exhale, send the fingertips down and let that go. Great job today. I love these little workouts that we can incorporate throughout the day. You might choose to walk with me another workout. Let's show you this video, 10-minute walking workout that you can tack onto any other workout. And of course, if you enjoy my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to work a little bit more deeply with me, I do have a online course. It's called 30-Day 5K, and in it, I share with you a training to prepare you to walk your first 5K in the comfort of your own living space in just 4 weeks. So with that training, you do get at least 12 walking videos that you will not see here on YouTube, and they range between 20 and 45 minutes long. So if you are interested, definitely check out the link below and get started on your walking journey today. All right, I'll see you again very soon. Take good care. Bye-bye.